congratulations Coke Studio, MTV and Coca-Cola for launching season 3. Like Siddhant said, we're really excited to see what season 3 is going to be all about. And you know, right now when you're watching the videos, I just felt like I was like at a mini concert. There's so many different artists getting to play, and we don't have to go and actually, you know, we don't have the access to so many concerts, but here we can just watch it on TV. So, and that's really great. And you know, the collaboration of the regional artists and the artists in the city, and giving people a platform to sing and, you know, kind of show us their talent is really great. So I'm very excited for season 3. Congratulations.
I think something what Prasun Saab said early on was that music is something, it doesn't matter शहर का संगीत हो या गाँव का संगीत हो या हिंदू हो या मुसलमान हो या कोई भी culture हो, music is something which gets you together. And this is something I've heard somewhere कि जो हमारे देश में हर 4 किलोमीटर पे या हर 6 किलोमीटर पे भाषा बदलती है. The language changes. So, but music is something that you can enjoy wherever you are in the country, whatever language or whatever culture it comes from. And I think just listening to A.R. Sir's track right now, I mean, it didn't necessarily have a language, but it just had the language of music. And that's why I think everyone in the audience had goosebumps listening to it, how the notes went up towards the end, how I don't know the musical terms, I'm sorry, but how it's just a feeling what we all felt at that moment. It was a universal feeling that we all felt at that stage, and I think that is what music does. So I think Coke Studio is amazing, and
to see more of such music. And how
that's
will
why
that
I'm saying
change?
it's happening already.
Okay.
If you look at it in pockets, it's been happening. And what you experience with Coke Studio is the spontaneity and the way it's done. And so people can witness the live factor of it. And it's produced like with A-grade, you know, team and amazing stuff. So
I think through Coke Studio, it gives us a great chance to enjoy music like this. And yeah, looking forward to season number 3. Thank you.